First, the top news headlines. Governor and Chief Minister led Martyrs' Day ceremony in Imphal, paying tribute to freedom fighters and Mahatma Gandhi's legacy. Chief Minister Biren warns of political manipulation, vows to protect Manipur and announces 2.9 crore rupees for water conservation and agriculture in Kangabok. CLP leader Okram Iwobi calls for Gandhian non-violence to restore peace in Manipur, urging stakeholders to embrace peaceful resolution. Tripartite talks at Senapati on new districts issue conclude with agreement to present proposal in April. And state government warns officials against unethical salary practices, vows strict action on complaints of bribery in payroll processing. A very good evening. You're watching IS Primetime English News. This is Suraj Khongban giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Manipur marked Martyrs' Day, also known as Sarvodaya Day or Shahid Divas, today with a solemn ceremony to pay tribute to the brave martyrs who laid down their lives for India's independence. The event held at the Gandhi Memorial Hall in Imphal witnessed significant participation from the state's leadership and the public. The occasion holds special significance as it coincides with the death anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, further amplifying the spirit of peace and sacrifice. Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla graced the occasion as the chief guest, leading the congregation in paying respects to the martyrs by laying a wreath at the statue of Mahatma Gandhi. Chief Minister Biren Singh, accompanied by his cabinet colleagues, MLAs and senior government officials, also attended this ceremony, highlighting the state's unity in honoring those who fought for the nation's freedom. Highlighting Gandhi's enduring legacy of non-violence, truth and self-reliance, in his social media handles, Chief Minister Biren emphasized Gandhi's principles continue to inspire the nation and serve as guiding lights in the collective pursuit of building a promising future. Chief Minister Biren Singh today stated that excessive political interference in Manipur's ethnic issues has led to confusion among the people and fueled internal conflicts. He alleged that certain politicians were collaborating with forces seeking to destabilize the state. Addressing a public interaction at UYC ground in Kangabok, Thabal district, Biren was accompanied by Minister T.H. Biswajit Singh, Dr. Sapam Ranjan, L. Sushindro Meite, and MLAs MP Kunjikishore Thongam Santi, Khongban Tabam Ibumcha, and Muhammad Abdul Nazir. Upon their arrival, they were warmly welcomed by students and locals. The Chief Minister pointed out that many people still lack a clear understanding of the ongoing crisis and clarified that the state government's opposition was directed at newly arrived immigrants involved in drug-related activities rather than long-term residents. He emphasized the need for people to recognize their real adversaries, stating that Manipur had been subjected to attacks from external forces. The Chief Minister further warned that political agendas had created divisions among the people and alleged that some politicians were covertly working with elements attempting to break the state. Although the refrained from naming any specific individual or party, he claimed that certain agents within the Imphal Valley were siding with those seeking to destabilize Manipur. He urged the public to remain cautious of such influences while assuring them that the state would remain united. During the event, Biren also addressed various grievances raised by the local residents and announced several development initiatives for Kangabok. He pledged rupees 50 lakh for installing water pumps across 4 paddy fields, namely Lohon B Lokon, Kaifa Lokon, Kiam Lokon, and Tentharam Lokon. Additionally, he assured the development of an open gym in the area. Acknowledging public concerns regarding water conservation, the Chief Minister announced that projects for the development of Eco Path and the channel cleaning of Lokong Path would be incorporated into the government's work program, each receiving rupees 1.2 crore in funding.
Kangnana Honaraga, Kangakanda, Sumilali, the Lepanga Misidi, Musi, Punsi the Miwa, the Minim. Musi the Miwa, the Rala Saga of Cambusi, the Kanga, Adoishu, is a Procambusi. Adoishu is Masugaya, or the Milmoy Cambusi. Yams Hauramadu, Ega Unarakanda, Mayam the Urakanda, drawing Mayam the Urakanda, Equipment Pushikayam, Manga Magi, Draknakayam, Sogi, Yango, Kunanubakayam Taragi, Yango, Pension Kamaita Rigi Yangona, Taka, Mayam, Haptareva. Eh. Adu pabung na thengnari ba lan sidi achau ba sahi ni fu yankai humbugi manga ga lakpa poda matungi mirol kannabani ne na khalla kan da bhata me nei ne adai ni manipur english hai ada ai ga unada ba kangbu sing unarasu adoi ju ba kangbu ne langis manipur pharba matung da bhora da mai laksa bani praja sina nungai ra matung da mang da phami ba lai biri ba lakpi ba ngasi khoi mayam na phibam phagala kan da nungai ra kan da manipur apha do oi ne bhora sin mi mangal le Bochina me mangan level. Me do born Matando the Pasakari, Yelaga, Chakara, Pyramid, Korpura, Lerame, Myra Sankar Sarame, Sondra Lebagon, Toge. Nasi Manipur, Imalebang Manipur, Sugan Sotera Mise, no Equigi Raniam Yaweb. Madam did not acquaint a board people matam that we suck my young pig reb. Sien the pig reb. No Aman Marimata the pig reb. Laibaki Kalod reb. Zatigi Kalod reb. Adu the Guinea no equine waris.
In a call for peace and reconciliation, CLP leader Okrami Bobby Singh urged the people of Manipur to adopt Mahatma Gandhi's principle of non-violence as the solution to the ongoing unrest in the state. Addressing a gathering at Congress Bhavan on the 77th death anniversary of the father of the nation, Ibobi emphasized that the nearly 2-year-long violence in the region could only be resolved through peaceful means rather than through further confrontation. He stated that true homage to Mahatma Gandhi could be paid not merely through floral tributes, but by genuinely following his ideology of non-violence. Ibobi further highlighted that the world continues to admire Gandhi's weapon of non-violence, which not only led to India's independence but also remains the most effective way to achieve lasting peace. The event began with floral tributes to Mahatma Gandhi's statue at Congress Bhavan, led by Ibobi Singh and MPCC President K. Meghachandra Singh. Senior Congress leaders, including CWC member Gai Khangam, along with party workers and supporters, also participated in offering their respects. The event, organized by the Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC, also witnessed strong participation from party members and Gandhi followers, all reaffirming their commitment to his principles. Ibobi noted that Gandhi's teachings were particularly relevant in the current context of Manipur, which has been grappling with unrest for almost 2 years. He urged all stakeholders in the state to embrace non-violence as the only path to resolve the crisis and restore harmony.
Congress Party ki taraf tagi Congress karmi kuding muktagi visioning ba paujen di mahakna pamjaram ba maki ideology principle non-violence haibase non-violence ki maki principle ideology asina Prithvi puna maktanatana Manipur da hojik sahi ani hajalakadorba violence na paramoidna Manipur da ningkha tamba hangaga su phangdabaga sapmanana hojik lairiba Manipur gi hingsa si Mahatma Gandhi jina pambiramba violence yaudaba madugi sak upaina koi Manipur si tuna shanti purukna ba koi hotna minaba darka woi masi Mahatma Gandhi gi message aduga magi pamjaba principle ideology se masi koi punamagna tabak oina onthoga Manipur da jik sahi ani pharkadaraba Manipur gi violence na maram moidna awaba thengnariba mayam punamak singa se masi koi punamak hotna minadna shanti purukna ba hotna minasi Mahatma Gandhi ji na pamjaramba mahaki hingsa yaudaba non violence se Manipur ki context di jigla iba taunari ba film Manipur lai film di hennabu relevant oiba haiba tare adna koi punmak na hotna minadna hingsa yaudana Manipur se shanti purna ba koi hotna minna si haiba paujen khasi samjaning.
A team from the Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC led by President K. Meghachandra visited 70-year-old internally displaced person IDP Thokchom Lukhoi Singh on Thursday. Thokchom Lukhoi, who is currently undergoing treatment at the ICU of RIMS Hospital following a suicide attempt at a relief camp, was visited by the MPCC team to offer support. The team extended monetary aid to Thokchom's family members to assist with medical expenses and other immediate needs. Thokchom Lukhoi, originally from Churachandpur district, has been residing at the Moirang relief camp since the onset of the ongoing violence in the state, which began on May 3, 2023. Accompanying MPCC President K. Meghachandra were Vice President Harishwar Goswami, General Secretary Administration S. Jitain, General Secretary Organization Amir Hussain, Senior Spokesperson N. Bhupendra Maitei, and Social Media in charge Malim Khomba. The visit highlighted the party's commitment to standing by the affected people and offering support during these difficult times.
Congress MPCC की टीम ऑफिस बेयर सिंह प्रिंस की ICU दा कोइना लागा उनजरीबसी बिष्णुपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट की मनुंग दा लैबा रिलीफ कैम्प अमा हांगगी मोइरांग की जगह अमदा लैबा मागी ममिंगना मोक्सोम लुखोई सिंह कोइ मासी ngरang सुसाइड तौरगा सिजनबा होनरंबा रिलीफ कैम्प दा आयोग फदना हिंहौरे मागी मुंग मनुंगी पाउ लौबदा रिलीफ कैम्प दा कयाम कुइना लैखनी मागी मुंग मनुंग मयाम सिंगदो लोइना अमगा लेमिनदबा चही अनि फारे अदुगी नुंगाइतबगी सोलम्मी हाई अदुना यामना नुंगाइते कयाम कुइना रिलीफ कैम्प दा लैरिबा मयाम सिंगसी असुमना सुम सरकारना थंबिखिदगे हाइबा क्वेश्चन दो लाए असुमबा thousands of people relief camp da laiриba mayam sing sarkar ki hoju phawdi hoi relief camp da laiриba sing je khudong chabadi pi chana thangnaba marang kaina angba natraga sukhra di pi kayam kuina sahi ani ilalaba desida koi kayam kuina thambigedege haibasi sarkar ki initiative ki ho udli.
The tripartite talk held on Thursday at the Senapati district headquarters between representatives from the Government of India, the Government of Manipur and the United Naga Council UNC concluded with a mutual agreement to present a proposal regarding the creation of 7 new districts in Manipur. The proposal will be submitted by the state government representatives in the next tripartite meeting scheduled for April this year. The discussions focus on the UNC's demand for the rollback of the new districts created by the government of Manipur in December 2016. After detailed deliberations, both parties agreed to continue dialogue and explore possible solutions during the upcoming meeting. The meeting was attended by key representatives who signed on behalf of their respective organizations. They are A.K. Mishra, Advisor NEMHA, Government of India, Prasant Kumar Singh, Chief Secretary, and Ashok Kumar, Commissioner Home, Onleps N.G. Lorho, President UNC, Varayo Sachang, General Secretary UNC, M. Luikang Laksan, President All Naga Students Association Manipur, and C.H. Priscilla Thuimai, President Naga Women's Union. The Manipur government has issued a stern notification in response to recent complaints alleging unethical practices within various departments regarding the preparation of salary bills. Employees have raised concerns over certain staff members demanding or accepting money during this process, violating established laws and ethical standards. In an effort to address these issues, the Finance Department, through Commissioner cum Secretary and Ashok Kumar, reiterated the prescribed procedures for salary bill preparation. According to the notification, every employee is to be mapped to a sanctioned post in the CMIS database, ensuring bills are prepared and verified against authorized positions. The drawal and dispersing officers are responsible for generating bills through the CMIS payroll system, with subsequent verification through the budget estimation, allocation and monitoring system. Directors and heads of departments have been instructed to issue strict warnings to their respective staff against engaging in such unethical behaviors. Any staff member found involved may face immediate disciplinary actions, including suspension and departmental inquiries as per established regulations. The government emphasized its commitment to transparency, accountability and fairness in administrative processes, urging employees to report any instances of misconduct without fear of reprisal. The Zonal Education Officer Thobal has mandated the closure of unrecognized private schools starting from the academic session 2025-2026. The directive, stemming from the Manipur Private School Registration and Regulation Rules 2024, aims to enforce stringent conditions on educational institutions across the state, according to an office memorandum issued by the JETEO. The memorandum highlighted that all existing unrecognized private schools, including those currently recognized but failing to meet specified criteria, must apply for registration within 90 days from the notification date of the rules, which was 6th November 2024. Failure to comply would result in closure within a specified time frame, emphasizing the importance of adherence to regulatory standards. Furthermore, the directive highlights the potential penalties for non-compliance, including fines up to 1 lakh rupees or imprisonment for up to 1 year or both. This stern approach seeks to safeguard the academic interest and future prospects of students enrolled in these schools, cautioning parents against the risks associated with sending their children to unregistered or unrecognized institutions, according to the office memorandum. In response to reports of escalating extortion threats targeting local businesses in Imphal East District, the district police sprang into action, resulting in the arrest of 2 individuals linked to Volunteers Welfare Fund, identified as Yumlembam Khelen Singh and Huidrom Langamba Singh. These suspects were apprehended from Sagolbantera area with incriminating evidence, including mobile phones, a lock and key set, and a demand note. According to police sources, the arrested individuals confessed to collaborating with former members of underground groups, coercing businessmen with demands amounting to lakhs of rupees under the threat of arms. The operation, coordinated by Haingang Police Station, has intensified investigations to uncover further links and ensure the safety of local businesses. A joint operation conducted by the Commando Unit Kakching, Wangu Police Station and 46 Assam Rifles F Company led to the recovery of a significant cache of weapons and explosives in the foothills of Chirel Kunau Hill Range on Thursday morning. Acting on reliable information received from 46 Assam Rifle, the combined teams carried out a search operation from 7:50 am to 8:35 am. The items were found in a secluded area well hidden near the cement bag. It includes 1 assault rifle without body number or registration, 1 9mm pistol with an empty magazine, and a 5 kg IED. Additionally, 2.36 HE grenades, 1 smoke shell CS, 1 tear smoke grenade, 1 PEK stick with fuse and detonator, and a 3-meter wire were found. Also recovered were a helmet, bulletproof vest, jungle boot, 2.303 empty cases, 1 blank cartridge, a cement bag, and a blue plastic bag. Following the recovery, a case has been filed at Wangu Police Station and investigations are underway. In a series of successful operations, security forces in Manipur have arrested several active members of various insurgent groups, recovering a substantial cache of arms, ammunition and other contraband items. In Thawal district, security forces arrested 2 active members of Pripak Pro from Tentha under Khongjom police station. The arrested individuals were identified as Laisang Them Hemanta Singh, age 41 years, also known as Laisemba, and Kiam Open Meitei, age 41 years, also known as Penthokpa. From their possession, 1 keypad mobile phone was seized. In Tengnupal district, 3 active cadres of KYKL and 1 active cadre of UNLFK were arrested from the general area between border pillar number 85 and 86. The arrested individuals were identified as Rishikanta Laishram, alias Malimnganba, age 32 years, Poireiton Leitan Them, alias Tokyo, age 26 years, Naurem Yohenba Singh, alias Nongyai, age 26 years, from KYKL, and KH Malimnganba Meitei, alias Phongakpa, age 27 years, from UNLFK. From their possession, security forces recovered 1 kukri, 2 mobile phones, 1 power bank, 4 liquor bottles, 2 debit cards, 1 Aadhaar card, 1 voter ID and 1 PAN card. The arrested persons were handed over to Tengnupur police station for further investigation. Manipur police also arrested 2 active cadres of RPF PLA who were involved in extortion activities around Pauna Bazaar. The arrested individuals were identified as Nepram Bothe Meitei, age 24 years, and Yengkhom Gyanda Singh, alias Dinku, alias Chaning Khomba, age 24 years. From their possession, security forces recovered 1 .32 pistol with 1 magazine containing 7 rounds of 7.65 ammunition, 2 mobile handsets, 1 wallet, a sum of 6,210 rupees, 1 Aadhaar card and 1 two-wheeler. All the arrested individuals are being processed for further legal action. In a bid to curb noise pollution and enforce traffic regulations, the Traffic Police Wing of Manipur, under the leadership of SP Pramesh Arambam, is set to launch a strict crackdown on illegal modified silencers in motorbikes and cars. The move comes in response to increasing complaints about excessive vehicle noise disrupting public spaces. The initiative will be undertaken as part of the Sarak Suraksha Jivan Raksha campaign under the National Road Safety Month. As a part of the program, the SP flagged off a road safety show today from the Kangla Gate. SP Pramesh also conducted a vehicle inspection during the event, ensuring compliance with road safety norms. To further reinforce awareness, the traffic police will organize educational campaigns in schools, colleges, and other public spaces. Additionally, video screenings on traffic regulations will be displayed at key locations across the state, emphasizing the illegality and impact of modified silencers. SP Pramesh stated that their use is not just a legal violation but also a major source of public nuisance, stating that these silencers disturb citizens and contribute to unnecessary noise pollution. The SP warned that strict action will be taken against the violators, urging vehicle owners to adhere to standard regulations.
Masai company na yar pira photo si yare na pira thadora bani ahen ma makon thoga silencer sina si kana ba sai gyan ta deba isana su paloksan bangam deba kana ba kesu leite kari gi show na makon do hauraga gari du na hen na phaja thoye nate masi to biganu na phaja thoje koi gi modified ki tawraga hapaga thobu se hobiganu masi yamna nuisance create wi ahal laman akoi keno gidang nataba law gidang nataba isagi dum civic sense oina su kanbiu isagi lekai da han manaraga ahing da nungdang da naraga laikan na leraga sigi makondo thaubuda thabak da pan mane makondo kan mane ba adu isana civic sense oina su khallaga law na yai adi habidu adu gi wang da khanbiraga isagi tawbong thokpa civic sense civic duty ko adu gi tawbong thokpa ne khallaga su kitang tawbi je tawse naina appeal tawseri.
A national conference on empowering voices in Northeast India, a social dialogue on ethical journalism for a vibrant future in the region, was held at Manipur University's Court Hall. The event was sponsored by the Northeastern Council, Shillong, in collaboration with the Department of Mass Communication, Manipur University, and NIBIAA Consultancy Private Limited. The conference was inaugurated by Manipur University Vice Chancellor Professor Lokendra Singh, with key speakers including NIBIAA Consultancy Chairman Professor Irabanta Singh, School of Social Science Dean Professor L. Memcha, and Arunachal Pradesh Department of Journalism and Mass Communication Head Professor Khaba Kabi. Also present were Ajay Parasar, Director IPR of North-Eastern Council Shillong, and Planning Research Officer Nikhildam Ajit Singh. Professor Irabanta Singh emphasized the importance of promoting ethical journalism in the region and suggested the uses of technologies like artificial intelligence for fact check. He expressed the need for responsible media practices to ensure a vibrant and informed future for the Northeast. The event provided a platform for discussing the role of journalism in shaping the future of the region, with a focus on ethics, social responsibility, and the evolving media landscape.
Policy. Kung dagi, policy sumber cuma berada di sini. Teknologi sudah berbenah, masalah cuma masalah amamu kan masalah ada policy. Dari dalam jaya jadi semua. Mungkin saya jadi konferensi itu cuma barulah media komunikasi dan satu sisi yang lainnya lagi masih.
The National Leprosy Eradication Program and State Health Society Manipur mark Anti-Leprosy Day and the Sparse Leprosy Awareness Campaign 2025 with a special event at the IMA Complex Heritage Hall, Lumfield Park. The theme of the event was Together Let Us Raise Awareness, Dispel Misconceptions, and ensure that no one affected by leprosy is left behind. This ceremony saw the participation of Professor Sanjeev Singh, Medical Superintendent of the RIMS, Dr. Salam Bocha, State Leprosy Officer NLEP Manipur, and Dr. Soram Gautam, Secretary of the IMA Manipur State Branch. Dr. Salam Bocha addressed the gathering, emphasizing the importance of early diagnosis and treatment, stressing that leprosy is not highly transmissible and can be effectively treated with medication. He reassured the public that with timely medical care, individuals affected by leprosy can lead a healthy life without significant complications. Dr. Bocha also addressed the stigma surrounding the disease, emphasizing that misconceptions about leprosy often discourage individuals from seeking treatment, leading to avoidable deformities. The campaign aimed to educate people about the disease and encourage an inclusive society where no one is left behind.
Leprosy ki case amakak lai jibudaya. Leprosy masing lising amal letrasu. Thabak lising amakak lai basi lising amal lai bai thabak tu zaman. Haining iwapam di masi treatment torope hasu treatment dagi release to ko matung dasu follow up am darkar le. Nasai leprosy te yamna tanba hairagati reaction anam le lepra reaction. Lepra reaction se karino hairagati mai si changra matungda ai hakchang ki system sina mugna basida. Mahi to akan mahi kam chang ko ai hakchang sina mugna na ba muthat na ba na tra thena na ba hona ba ai hakchang ki system da reaction akai ba ma ko ali sina maram moraga leprosy se hai ba reaction se treatment how dring lai da ki dun to han yai treatment manung da su lepra reaction to bi yai even after completion treatment tore possibly is 6 months sidak peak re multibacillary is 12 months sidak peak re ma release tore kuna treatment release hai leprosy de release from treatment kari gino hairaga sai amuk ma di follow up ma di darka di legi adna akoi handak anobu de su thing se hi tare ni pa mamang di da cha loi ko reaction tore la.
As part of the year-long Silver Jubilee celebration of the Handicap Development Foundation, a special event was organized to distribute catheters and assess individuals with disabilities who may benefit from assistive devices. The event took place at the Foundation's office in Lamdeng, Imphal West, with support from the Biklang Sahara Samiti, Delhi. During the event, assessments were conducted to identify persons with disabilities who could benefit from various assistive devices such as wheelchairs, tricycles, crutches, hearing aids, CP chairs, walking sticks, and minial hands. The distribution of 36 such devices aimed to enhance the mobility and quality of life for PWDs in the region, aligning with the Foundation's mission to provide crucial support and aid to individuals in need. Officials from the Viklang Sahara Committee participated in the program and took stock of the Foundation's ongoing work.
CEO rehabilitation oina thaupu bibni aduga aso khoi right most extreme right la isna koi Manipur snake ki koi coordinator TS Sarat Singh ni akoi smile na akoi ki celebration se koi panthok sa
chora koi chora kwang si sida mi kya muk to se kis ma kano se catheter pi be si mi kya muk pi do ni kitang ai
catheter se koi gi mi contractor si cha Tamenglong gi mi ni pan yauri aduga ataina si koi gi district valley dalai district sing gi
The Cine Artists and Technicians Association, Kata, Manipur condoled the sudden and untimely demise of noted Manipuri film actor and director Khairakpam Dia, who passed away yesterday morning after suffering a heart attack in the wee hours. In a condolence meeting of Kata held today at the residence of R.K. Gyanaranjan Singh, President Kata members present in the meeting observed a 2-minute silence in honor of the departed soul. R.K. Gyanaranjan, expressing his deep and heartfelt sorrow, described Khairakpam Dia as a fine and dedicated artist who possessed a humble heart. The loss of such a talented artist like Dia will definitely create an irreparable void in the Manipuri film industry. Former Secretary of Kata and ex-chairman Film for Manipur S. Mangoljao also shared his profound grief on the premature death of actor Dia. Deputy Commissioner Kakching Rohit Anand today inspected the progress of various developmental projects under watershed development component of Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana in Kakching district. The visit was to assess the progress and implementation of the key initiatives for water conservation and agricultural infrastructure under WDC PMKSY. During the inspection visit, Rohit Anand reviewed rooftop harvesting, farm ponds, spring sets, pakka irrigation canals and other works taken up under WDC PMKSY. These initiatives are part of the broader WDC PMKSY scheme, which focuses on sustainable water management and improving irrigation facilities for farmers. The Deputy Commissioner visited several locations, including Sero, Tangzeng, Waikhong, Laimanai, and Langmeidong, to evaluate the on-ground progress. DC Rohit Anand also inspected the progress of construction of 49 houses at Sero, which is being constructed for rehabilitation of displaced families. During today's inspection, the DC was accompanied by Anunne Anand, SDO Waikhong, S. Navachandra, Project Officer, Rural Development and Panchayati Raj, along with other officials. As a part of 10 years of celebration of Beti Bachao, Beti Parao, Safe Girl Child, Educate Girl Child, an awareness program on menstrual hygiene and distribution of sanitary pads for girls was held today at Tengkongjang Higher Secondary School in Noni. Additionally, an awareness campaign on Women Helpline number 181 and Child Helpline number 1098 was also held at the same venue. The program was organized by District Administration None, District ICDSL in collaboration with One Stop Center None. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top news headlines once again. Governor and Chief Minister led Martyrs' Day ceremony in Imphal, paying tribute to freedom fighters and Mahatma Gandhi's legacy. Chief Minister Biren warns of political manipulation, vows to protect Manipur and announces 2.9 crore rupees for water conservation and agriculture in Khangabol. CLP leader Okram Ibobi calls for Gandhian non-violence to restore peace in Manipur, urging stakeholders to embrace peaceful resolution. Tripartite talks at Senapati on new districts issue conclude with agreement to present proposal in April. And state government warns officials against unethical salary practices, vows strict action on complaints of bribery in payroll processing. Well, that's it for now. Keep watching IS News and good night.